Test if you can eliminate gray using a water magnetizer. My name is Peter, and this is my Easy Fix channel. The next few minutes we're going to show you how to make a magnetizing unit to magnetize drinking water, and the purpose is to change my gray hair to my natural brown. Yes, let's build one of these. And here, this is Tuesday. It's very rough, and the reason all the tape is because it's a powder, so I don't want it spilling all over the place. But this is it. That's the water I'm drinking. Tuesday unit and all the other units, they weigh about 12 pounds. And the reason for that is because magnetite is iron oxide and it's very heavy. It's a highly permeable to magnetic fields. And so the effort is to magnetize that water, that drinking water. But you can use any water that you want. If you find this interesting, please comment. I'm very interested to hear what your thoughts are. Remember, our body is mostly water. So we're going to try to magnetize and change the quality of the water. So please comment. This video is part 1, where I show you how I made a magnetizing unit. And in part 2, the follow-up video, I will explain as to how this system works, the theory behind it. And please comment. This is an overview of how to make a magnetizer. Take an empty coffee can, put in a plastic tube from plastic bottles, put in your water, and then fill it up with magnetite, iron oxide, about an inch around. You need an empty coffee can, tape, pair of scissors, a good knife, clean work area, and I ordered 85 pounds of magnetite to construct 7 magnetizing units. Plus you need empty bottle containers to try to fit to the size of the bottle that you plan to magnetize. Unfortunately, these bottles, they're 1 liter bottles, but they're not tall enough. However, the diameter is perfect. The solution is to take 2 of these plastic bottles, combine them to increase their height to exceed the level of the empty coffee can. Then you add 12 pounds of magnetite. It gets messy. It's a very fine powder. It's all over the place, as you can see. There's some of the natural magnetite spilled all over the place. Because the magnetite is such a fine powder that discolors everything, I sealed it off with paper and tape so it doesn't spill. A total of 7 magnetizing units were built, 1 for each day. To determine the time period for this test, we look at the various turnover times for different cell replacement, and we find that red blood cells have a turnover time of 4 months, so 6 months was chosen to be conservative. Hopefully we can increase the magnetic properties of the water to be equal, if not greater than, natural water coming straight out of the earth, as seen in this waterfall. We want the energy of the water to be equal, if not greater than, water coming from the earth. In the part 2 video, I will explain how the magnetizing system works, basically the theory, plus I will provide a baseline which includes blood work and a summary of the amount of dark hair versus gray hair. And please subscribe. Thank you.